Simple Mobile fully supports eSIM since late 2024 for both new activations and porting existing physical SIMs to digital versions. This allows you to activate plans without needing a physical SIM card. Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, so eSIM profiles are managed via a QR code or through the Simple Mobile app. Make sure you have an internet connection to set it up. Not all older devices are supported, and eSIM for postpaid plans isn't available yet, but it's expected by 2026. To get started, you'll purchase a Simple Mobile plan, scan the QR code provided, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the eSIM profile. First, confirm your device supports eSIM. iPhones from the XS model released in 2018 onward are generally compatible. For Android devices, compatibility varies by manufacturer, but popular models like Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus often support it. Use Simple Mobile's compatibility tool on their website to verify your specific device. To install your eSIM, go to your phone settings, usually under Cellular or Connections, and select Add Cellular Plan or similar. Then scan the QR code provided by Simple Mobile to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and activate your eSIM profile. The activation process can take between 5 to 15 minutes. Keep in mind that Simple Mobile is an MVNO, which means it depends on the host network. For example, it relies on T-Mobile's network for its service.